first rates trickling in on your screen, and good open for the market today. 26,295 is where we are at for the Nifty at open. You have Sensex that surged about 280 points at open, around that 86,000 mark. There it is, crossed that 86,000 mark for the Sensex, a fresh all-time high over there as well. Advance decline ratio very steeply in the favor of the advances. Nothing to complain about. The India VIX is low by another 3.5%, so the market breadth also looking very healthy at open. Bulls have taken charge of the street once again because you have names like JSW Steel, BEL, Shriram Finance. These are your top Nifty gainers. On the back of that compensation cess news coming in, that bill might be passed today. ITC is under pressure by about 1%. Also want to see what Varun Beverages is doing, because the last time we heard about a compensation cess on Sin Goods, Varun Beverages was also taking a big hit. Varun Beverages is absolutely flat right now. Nestle, Tech Mahindra, Tata Consumer, these are some of your top losers as the first rates trickle in. But let's start getting stock specific and look at some numbers coming in. First, numbers from Bajaj Auto trickling in for the November auto sales. Total sales are up 8%. CVPV sales also looking quite healthy on a year-on-year basis. Bajaj Auto about 0.5% higher. We also have numbers from Escorts Kubota on their November auto sales, so that stock should also come up for you right about now. Lenskart should be the big mover today on the back of better than expected or healthy Q2 set of numbers coming in. Margins have expanded. It's up 3.5%, but so has been the case with studs as well. A very healthy margin expansion for the recently listed studs accessories, so that stock should also be doing well. Sun Pharma has introduced its global innovative drug Illumia in India. On the back of this new launch, Sun Pharma is not doing all that much. Maharashtra Seamless, an order win worth 217 crores from ONGC, so that stock should be doing well, and it is a 1% uptick over there. Let's talk about some telecom data that we've received over the course of the weekend for the month of September. Bharti Airtel has added net customers, as has been the case with Reliance Jio, but Vodafone Idea continues to lose its subscribers, and that has been a trend that we have been seeing for quite some time. Waaree Energies, the company has secured a new order to supply 140 megawatt of solar modules. Positive for Waaree this morning. Arvind Smart Spaces and some other names from the real estate group of stocks. Arvind, let's start by talking about that new project added in Ahmedabad with a potential of 400 crore rupees. You have Brigade and Godrej Properties, who both signed on new projects in Hyderabad. So the real estate pack should be doing very well in trade today. You have management rejig at Tata Technologies. The board has appointed Uttam Gujarati as the CFO starting 31st December. That should be positive. Quick Heal, the company has secured orders worth about 65 crore rupees. For Tejas Networks, they've received about 85 crores of PLI from the Ministry of Communications, so very positive for this stock as well. These are some of the stocks that are doing very well, but if you take a look at what's sprucing up in the broader markets, it's Aegis Vopak up about 6.5%. Tejas Networks is up 5%. JM Financial holding steady with a 5% gain this morning. KFin Tech, M&M Finance, Hindustan Zinc, of course, on silver hitting all-time high. Remember, 30% of their revenue comes from silver. Hindustan Copper also doing very well. What's not doing all that well is Welspun Living, Whirlpool of India, Loris Labs. So that is what the first rates look like. Aisha, anything standing out to you?
It's pretty much it. Just want to revisit what the movers from last week are up to. And remember, Hindustan Zinc had seen a build-up on Friday as well. That's when the stock jumped up about 2.5%. Today, it's pushed on another 2.5% as we speak right now. By the way, it's a record high for the Nifty Bank as well. It's made it to that 60,100 plus mark in trade. So let's see what the composites are looking like. Well, the Nifty is still struggling around the 26,300 print, or at least a claw back to that mark. But yes, numerically, it is a fresh high regardless. What about the Nifty Bank composites? Let's see what the ICICI Bank, Axis, HDFC, and all these names are currently up to in trade. Kotak as well will just come for you on your screens. HDFC Bank at 1,010 right now. Axis is where you're seeing a bigger move, about 6/10. But SBI, that's the one which is leading the pack right now with a near about 1% move. While you're not seeing such a big move actually on the private banking names. Not just SBI, perhaps the rest of the BSB pack as well is the one which is aiding to this move on the Bank Nifty as we speak right now. PEL, that's gotten off to a very smart start. Tata Steel, that's looking good. Infosys up 1%. Tata Motors passenger vehicle holding up currently in trade. Mildly higher for Eternal, struggling at the 300 level. But other than that, want to see what M&M and Sun Pharma, that's shown pretty well on Friday's session. That stock will just come up here on your screens, and I think it was a buy from Kunal as well. M&M, of course, higher by 0.5%, 37.78 on that stock, 37.80 now. And Sun Pharma will just come up here on your screens next. Remember, this stock closed in with a good 1.25% of a move in Friday's session. Right now, it's holding up just marginally in the green as we speak right now.